Hey everyone! Thanks for tuning in. My name is Tsubasa. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video, I am going to follow a makeup tutorial that is going to teach me how to put on my makeup that will accentuate my features, or basically properly putting on makeup on myself. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to follow that and see how it goes. So let us begin with playing the video.
Dab foundation all over your face and blend it out with Beauty Blender. The foundation is uneven on the edges, blemishes are still prominent. Looks cakey, flat face, and uneven skin tone. Effective foundation. Lightly pat on the foundation on face using fingertips. Use Beauty Blender to gently dab it out. This will make your base stay on better and longer. The Beauty Blender will carry the excess products away and make your skin looks airy.
So let me follow that. Usually I would, oh my gosh, it's dry. Right, so usually I would apply my foundation if I will be wearing any, and get this out of the tube and then put it on my face and then spread it with my Beauty Blender. But right now we're not going to do that, and we're going to follow what she says by applying the foundation with my fingers on my skin and then dab with Beauty Blender afterwards. So I will put that on my small mixing palette. This is a mixture of two foundations that I think fits well with my skin color, and it doesn't make me too matte or too dewy. By the way, I already placed my skincare, like my sunblock and serums and everything. Then I'm going to get my Beauty Blender. Whoa! I look scary. So I will get my Beauty Blender and then blend. But my skin is acting really strange lately because I'm not taking care of it properly.
Use concealer to brighten the little dark spots on your face. Place the brush tip at the darkest spot and blend it out. To narrow her nose bridge, she will add concealer to side of her nose. This makes your nose looks clean and smaller, and sharpen the center of your face.
I rarely use concealers on my face. Even though I will have pimple scarring, I do not put concealers on them. I just don't know why. I just let them be. But today she asked us to do that, so I'm going to do that. I hope this one will work. There are different kinds of concealers, and depending on what your skin needs, that is the kind of concealer that you're putting on your face. But I only have with me a DARKCIRCLE concealer cream, and I don't have anything else, but I'll just go with it as a normal concealer. And so I will pat it in. Did she pat it in?
There's more.
Then put on some setting powder.
Oh, she did not pat it in. So should I follow that and just use the blush to do this?
Then put on some setting powder. Base is done.
Setting powder. Where are you? This is my translucent powder. Ghastly. I look ghastly. Anyways.
Ineffective step 2, contouring. Do not understand your face shape, using the wrong contour technique that is not suitable for your face shape. It does not help with correcting your face shape, but emphasize your flaws even more. Effective contouring. Understand your face shape. She says she has high cheekbones, flat chin, and prominent masseter muscle. So she needs to correct all this by contouring. Apply contour at the highest point of your cheekbone. Blend it in inward direction. This will put.
So, identifying the flaws, it will be I have high cheekbones. I have high cheekbones, and then, but I don't have the strong chin like hers, and I think my jaws are fine. Honestly, I don't like contouring my cheekbones. Blend it in inward direction. So I'm going to put my face inwards with contour. Right. You know what brush to use is very important, and I don't know what brush to use. So I think I'll just use, what did she use? Some kind of fluffy brush, so I'll just use this also. Also, I think I have a wide forehead, so I will also bring it in. And now I don't look that ghastly, and I have colors back on my face.
Add shadows at both sides of your chin to sharpen your chin. Eyebrows. Drawing out the frame and fill them in. Looks unnatural. Flat brows on flat face will not refine your features. Extend the end of brows excessively will make your eyes look wider apart. Effective eyebrows. Understand the brow shape suitable for yourself. Arch brows are more suitable for rounded face or flat features. Add strokes at the front of your brows. This can set your eyes closer to each other. Look, this really makes a big difference.
I think this is the most important part, because most people I see, at least on my Facebook page, is that they're trying to draw their eyebrows according to what they like than what do their face needs. So flat and almost no angle to it, that their face don't need it. So for the life of me, I cannot draw those hair-like structures on the front of my eyebrows, because first of all, I drew it very heavily, but I will try my hardest. Maybe use something like this, I think. But first, I'm going to spool it out. Proper products would really help a lot, but I don't think that this is a proper product. This is an eyeliner, but I think it would be too dark. I will try it, I guess. I'll just try it. No, it don't look good. It make my eyebrows look. So I remove the strokes that I put on my inner eyebrows, and then I will go back again with this pencil. But if I will do that hair-like strokes, I think I would have to buy a product that would do best on my eyebrows and not just use anything, because I think that would not work well.
Ineffective nose contour. Adding too much shadows at the sides of your nose to narrow your nose bridge. Your nose did turn out to be higher, but the tip of your nose become bigger. Drawing a straight line from nose root to the tip of your nose. Wrong. Looks unnatural. Effective nose contour. Divide into 3 steps and blend out evenly. Add matte highlighter to brighten up nose bridge and nose tip. Do not overdo your nose bridge if you have a bigger nose tip.
Going to do like this, the cheek. It's too much, and I have to blend it. It's more like creating shadows than creating actual lines. Did I do this right or do not?
Add matte highlighter to brighten up nose bridge and nose tip. Do not overdo your nose bridge.
She added highlighter on the center and on the sides. What kind of highlighter? Because usually highlighters are shimmery. I think I'll just still use this one from Sleek, because it's not so much brighter than my Mary Luminizer, and I'll use a highlighter brush. So many brushes in one way. She added highlighter on the center here. Oh, she used a smaller one.
Ineffective step 4, eyeshadow. Using the wrong steps for your eyes. Start from the front to the end of your eyes, taking shades from the lightest to the darkest. Putting too much eyeshadow at the end of your eyes, making your eyes look wider apart. Adding shimmery shade under your eyes but still can't create the natural jelly rolls under your eyes. Filling in your eyeliner like this can't help to enlarge your eyes. Effective eyeshadow. Understand your eye shape and estimate the region that is needed to apply eyeshadow. If you have wide set eyes, focus to blend your eyeshadow out at the front of your eyes. Or you
I don't have wide set eyes, so I don't know.
can apply darker shades instead. This will create the effect of making the eyes distance closer. She says she has filled an eyeliner for both upper and lower lash line, but not the inner corner. So you can see her eyes are still quite wide apart.
The instruction is about the wide set eyes, and I don't have wide set eyes, so what I'm going to do. She said to estimate the region where to put the eyeshadow. So for me, if I open my eyes like this, where will the eyeshadow end? So I think here, this area. She did not tell about the lower eyelid area, so I will just do that following what I saw on her. Maybe I'll just add here. So it's like pulling my eyes more almond-y. I believe so. I never appreciated this brush, not until now. This is the E47 from Sigma.
She says she has filled an eyeliner for both upper and lower lash line, but not the inner corner. So you can see her eyes are still quite wide apart. Now you need to draw a line in the inner corner.
Now drawing the line on the inner corner like what she did is not suitable for my eyes because of my eye shape here. Like if I put it in here, this is mentioned in the previous makeup video I made. If I put something here on my inner corner like an eyeliner, it don't look good like anyone else. I really like to have those kind of eyes, but my eyes don't permit me to do that technique, so I'm going to skip that one. And instead I'll just draw my regular eyeliner.
Now, her eyes look more natural. However, this technique does not apply for all girls. Those who have closer eyes distance, this will bring both of your eyes even closer.
So I do tight lining as my eyeliner. Not every day though, because it's kind of long process. Not really long, but it's kind of long process than the usual. But I do tight line because that is what eyelining technique my eyes permits, because I have hooded eyelids, and when I say hooded, it's like really hooded and it's covering everything, especially my eyeliner area. I'm saying too much. So if I do the tight lining and not the regular eyeliner, it makes a lot of difference on my eyes, so it makes my eyes more open than the usual eyeliner technique.
Makeup beginners usually do not notice the importance of mascara. She put on mascara for her left upper lashes. If you do not have full lower lashes, you can fake them by drawing few strokes below your eyes.
So I don't have an eyelash curler. I lost it somewhere, and some of my makeup, I don't know where they are. So I have no something to clamp on my eyelashes, but I will still proceed with the mascara. The only mascara I have right now. So I put on my mascara and it's heavy. Because I really clumped it up because I barely have lashes on. That's why I opt with the false eyelashes every time I really need lashes. So in regular days, no. Oh, forget the lower lashes. I don't like to draw them, but okay, I'll draw them with this. I'm so scared because I don't know how to do this, but she says to draw them on. Just draw them on. Don't look natural at all because I don't know how to do this, but it's like sharp but not really sharp at all for this technique, and I'm so, oh my gosh, I'm so regretting this. Anyway, I'll just put on mascara at the lower lash line. If I really need to do this, I would probably opt for individual lower lashes, which I have, but I'm so lazy to do that.
Ineffective makeup step 5, lips. Filling in the lip product according to the shape of your lips. Effective lips. Use a lighter shade to set as a base. Smudge out the upper lip. Layer darker shades. This helps to look younger and shorten the center of your face.
She was using rosy colors and I was using brown colors, and that is because I used the brown colors on my eyes. Wow!
Remember to take darker eyeshadow to add shadow below your jelly rolls. This step helps to enlarge your eyes and shorten the length of the center of your face. Ineffective makeup step 6, blush. Putting lip shade blushes at the center of your face makes you look old and fails to brighten up the center of your face. Moreover, if the color tone of the blush and lips doesn't go well together, it will make your makeup looks messy and overall. Effective blushes. Matching the tone of your blush with the shade of your lip. Apply on the side of your cheeks to brighten up the center of your face.
So the rule is use a tone that is similar to the lips so that they won't go too far from each other, and that will make your face look put together. And this is so subtle that it goes with every color, almost every color. And I will put it on the sides. She says on the sides. So basically this tutorial is teaching us to accentuate on the better points of our face and fixing the parts that we don't like on our face. And so I think I will be using some of these techniques in daily, like the one with the eyeshadows and the contours, and also I love the lip technique. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and also leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to be updated if I will be uploading a new video, and also for you to stay tuned on my channel. And I hope to see you really soon on my next video. Bye!